Hi, I'm France Iazzolino from Thunder Bay, Canada, and I'm here in beautiful Kauai, Hawaii, with the only Mark J, who is a seven-figure income earner and the world's laziest networker.
Yeah, it's so great to be working with you. By the way, how do you feel?
I feel happy, I feel healthy, and I feel terrific.
Yeah, and one of the reasons that she does is this is a lot about self-discovery, and I've never seen anybody embrace and explode personally like France has. What a great place you're from. Thunder Bay, man. You're the lightning in Thunder Bay. If you're considering a home-based business, you definitely want to check out France. Get in touch with her, because she discovered here the real key to network marketing is teams.
That built teams without you.
Without you, so your team grows and you're not involved in every transaction. How to have a home-based business that doesn't overwhelm your home and your marriage and your kids, that you can get done in 12 hours a week. How does that happen? Well, it's all about team. Now, we find a lot of people say, oh, we have a great team, there's no I in team, but those are just slogans. What really makes a great team, a great communicator. So if you get in touch with France, because we spent 4 days on this, she's going to get you a color profile. And you'll know what your strengths are and weaknesses are after you take it and you talk to her. And she'll show you how her team can help you plan around your weaknesses and showcase your strengths. Because duplication cannot be taught. That's the big discovery. It can only be
Caught.
And we catch it with
Hands-on support.
Hands-on support. See, that's the key. Now, if the people supporting you don't know how to talk to you in the best way, well, communication breaks down. It won't break down with this woman because she always feels happy, healthy, and terrific, right? And that's what makes a great teammate. The reason she feels that way, self-discovery. So you're working with someone that is evolving personally and at the same time is more interested in how to communicate with you in the best way. Not guessing. She's become an expert in color code. She can show you what a real teammate is like. So even if you decide you don't want to work with Arbonne, and there's some great companies out there, at least you'll know who you should be talking with. And one of the great things about a company like Arbonne is you've got the two criteria that you need from a company. One, the product shows up on time and does what it says it's going to do. And two, the paychecks show up and they clear. After that, it really falls on the team that you have. Get on a team with her. Find out what a real team is, not a slogan, but a real team of communicators, and you'll love that knowledge. You'll be successful moving forward. So nice to meet with you.
All right.